Bi'ur Mishnah Vav, explanation from Mishnah Vav. Maaseh, there was a case, Sheyarduz Kenim Chachamim, that the sages came down, Mi Yerushalayim le'arehem. So it probably was a regel or another occurrence that they came, where they went back from Yerushalayim to their cities. Ve'gazru Taanit, and they decreed a fast. Why? Al shenir'a kemelo pi tanur shidafon, because they saw it wasn't the entire field was dry. It was enough to fit into the mouth of an oven. That's how much was dry. Not the entire field, just a little bit of the field was dry somewhere. How much was it? A little bit amount, enough to go into the oven, to the opening of the oven. Tvu'ash dufa, it was not wilted, it was dry wheat. Keshi'ur hara'ui la'asot menapat lebalet pi hatanur, for the very small measurement, to put into the oven. Be'ashkelon, and it was where? Be'ashkelon, it wasn't even in the land of Israel. It was outside of the borders, in Lebanon, or in Syria, or in Jordan of today, or in Gaza today. No, Plishtim. Ashkelon, the Philistines used to be them. We conquered them in the time of King David. I think it is, yeah. Yeah, but throughout Jewish history, it was usually Philistines living over there. And we had troubles. Samson was there, King David hit them, but then they took it over again throughout the times. Yeah, Be'ashkelon, Be'eretz Plishtim. And maybe I'm wrong, maybe it's not even the borders. It's possible that Plishtim, that Ashkelon is not in the Torah border. I'll have to check it, I don't know. Yeah. Ira smucha legvula hadrumi shel Eretz Yisrael. It says this is a city that is close to the south border of the land of Israel. Ve'od, so in it, so there's two things over here. First of all, it was just a little bit of wheat that was dry. And second of all, it wasn't in Israel proper. That's what it looks like. It wasn't in the land of Israel, but it was very close. Because of that, even that is good enough to start fasting. Ve'od gazru, and there was another decree. Taanit al she'achlu ze'evim shtei tinokot be'ever hayarden. Oh, similar case. It wasn't in the land of Israel, but two wolves ate two babies in Jordan. Lefi shechaya ra'a maka ma'alechet. He said, why you have to fast? It happened in Jordan. He says, what do you think? The wolves know the difference between Jordan and Israel? If you have a problem in Jordan, soon the problem will be here by you. כמו ששנינו במשנה הקודמת. Rabbi Yossi Omer, no, it's not because they ate the babies. The fact that they ate the babies you don't fast on, because that's what wolves do, as long as the babies are in the wild. But over here it was something else. לא על שאכלו זאבים שתי תינוקות. Not that they ate two babies. They're allowed to eat 20 babies. That's not a problem, that's what wolves do. They eat babies. But over here, אלא על שנראו הזאבים בעיר. Over here, the wolves came into the city. They're not afraid of the people anymore. And that's where the problem is. Even if they wouldn't have eaten anybody, just the fact that they came into the city, that's already a good enough reason to fast. You don't even need to wait for them to eat the babies. Gazru הזקנים תענית. This is according to Rabbi Yossi.